Hello, my dear students. Welcome to science class. So today we will be starting with a new chapter, that is chapter number 16, garbage in and garbage out. Okay, so this is the last chapter from your NCERT book. So let's see what we are going to learn today. Now, at first today we will be learning on introduction on different types of garbages. Number 2, dealing with garbage. And number 3, a concept on biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Okay. Now, what is garbage? Now, waste materials, especially the household wastes, are known as what? Are known as garbage. Okay. Now, every household it produces a lot of garbage daily, which is collected in dustbins. I think all of you have seen dustbin at your home or in school also you will find that at a corner of your classroom a dustbin is. Okay. Now, the shops, offices, and schools they also produce garbage or rubbish every day. Now, what does this garbage actually consist of? Okay, now that will become clear from the following discussion. Okay, now we peel off many fruits and vegetables before eating or cooking them. I think you have seen at your home that your mother is peeling vegetable before cooking, isn't it? Sometimes the fruit also. Suppose when you are eating an orange, at first you peel the outer part, isn't it? And sometimes what happens that food also when it is unused in our home and it is called what? It is called leftover food. Okay. Now the leaves of the potted plants, okay, they also keep on falling every day in our home. Now the peels of fruits, vegetables, leftover cooked food, then fallen leaves of the potted plants are thrown away as what? As garbage, right? Other than that, as I said you that every household they buys a large number of packaged products, such as packaged product you can say atta, then rice, pulses, biscuits, chocolates, milk, tea leaves, okay, oil. All this comes under packet, okay, and they are wrapped in a plastic bag, okay, cardboard covers or paper wrappers. Okay. Soft drinks. They are packed in a plastic bottle or tin. Now all the packing materials they are useless and they go out as a garbage. Yes. Sometimes of course we do reuse, isn't it? Then we also tear off various kinds of papers and throw them into dustbin. The waste paper also generate garbage. Okay. Now in every household, some old, unwanted, and useless plastic objects, such as you can say polythene bags and plastic bottles, then broken plastic toys, etc., keep on collecting, which are ultimately thrown as garbage. Now, a lot of glass articles, such as used glass bottles and other glass containers, and broken window frames, broken mirrors, and broken glass tumblers, also we make up garbage. Okay. Now, many old and useless metal objects, such as you can say the aluminium foil, used tickets. Okay, nowadays we are using the e-tickets. Okay, but at previous you will find that the train, bus tickets with paper. Okay, so after using it, it becomes useless. Then lasted iron wheels, door handles, etc. Finally, they become garbage. The old clothes, discarded shoes and slippers, they are also thrown away as garbage. Okay. Plastic is, as I said, that when the people they get off from a bus, they throw the bus tickets on the road. Some people they eat the ground nuts and throw their shells in buses, trains, and other public places. Some people they throw banana skins on the road. Now every time we throw away something, we are producing garbage. Okay, now though the garbage produced by a single person may be small, but the amount of garbage thrown by many persons in an area can make a big heap of garbage. Okay, so we are generating every day a huge amount of garbage, as you can see here in this picture. Okay, this is not a garbage that is being generated from a single home, but rather it is a heap of garbage. Okay, now, if the garbage is not removed from our homes and surroundings regularly, then our homes and surroundings will become dirty. Okay. Now, some of the garbage like leftover food, they will rot off giving foul smell. The rotting garbage, it will become a breeding ground for disease-causing microorganisms like you can say cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes. Okay, and you all know that these insects spread diseases to us. Okay, so that is actually not good for our health. Okay, now before I start that one, now the garbages, okay, they are collected in dustbin. I think all of you have seen, okay, dustbin in our homes, shops, offices, and schools are taken away by what? Taken away by a sanitary staff, that is okay, of our area, and they put it into the big garbage dumps constructed by the municipality at various locations. Okay, now from the garbage dump, the garbage is loaded into trucks and disposed in a number of ways depending on the nature of garbage. Actually, in this chapter, we will be learning that how to deal with this garbage. Okay. Now, dealing with garbage. Now, garbage has got two types of component in it. What are that? Number one is a useful component and another one is the useless component. Okay. Now, those things present in garbage which can be converted into useful products, recycled or reused are called what? Are called useful components. Okay, and those things present in garbage which can neither be used in any way nor recycled are called useless garbage. Okay, now the useful garbages are again of two types. What are that? Fruits, vegetable peels, leftover cooked food, fallen leaves, which can be converted into what? Into compost. We will be reading next time what is compost. Okay, and used paper, some plastic, glass, metal articles which can be recycled or reused. Okay. Now, the first step in dealing with garbage is to separate what? The useful part of the garbage from the non-useful part which cannot be used at all. Okay. Now, the separation of useful part of the garbage can be done in our home ourselves. It is also done at a garbage dump by people called rat pickers. Okay, now as I said you that there are two types of waste. One is the decomposing and another one is the non-decomposing. Now garbages such as you can say fruits and vegetable peels, as I said you, then leftover cooked food, fallen leaves, then the outer shell of groundnut. Okay, and you can say the fallen leaves. Okay, these are what? These are biodegradable. Actually, what happens when fruits and vegetable peels, leftover food and plant leaves are buried in soil, they are decomposed by microorganisms present in soil to form harmless substance. Now, on the other hand, the garbage such as plastic bags, glass bottles, metal articles, they do not rot when buried in soil. We say that that is what? That is non-biodegradable or non-decomposing. Okay. Now the garbage such as plastic bags, glass bottles and metal articles, they cannot be decomposed by the microorganisms present in soil. Right? Now, how can we define biodegradable garbage? The part of a garbage which can rot in nature to form harmless substance is called biodegradable substance. Whereas what are non-biodegradable substances? The part of the garbage which does not rot or decompose in nature is called non-biodegradable substance. Okay. So we can say that all the garbage which is not derived from plants and animal sources are non-biodegradable. For example, here you can see plastic, they are not derived from any plant and animal sources. Metals, tins, they are not derived from any kind of metal sources. Okay. Now, here you see. Let's do an activity. Now, collect the garbage from your house before it is thrown into dustbin and you separate it into the two group. Okay, here you see dustbin 1, dustbin 2. Okay, now in the first group we take garbage from kitchen. Okay, that is kitchen waste, such as you can say what are the things generated from kitchen as a waste? Fruit and vegetable peels. Then you can say leftover cooked food. Okay, tea leaves, egg shells. Okay, we also include over here dry leaves, paper bag, cotton, cloth, jute bag, and old leather bag in this group. Okay, in the second group, that is in dustbin 2. Okay, you take some plastics. Okay, broken plastic toys, synthetic clothes, broken glass and metal objects such as aluminum foil and iron nails. Okay. Now what you have to do, you dig two pits in a ground about 30 centimeter deep. In one pit, okay, you just place the garbage from first group. Okay, this one, and cover it with a layer of soil. And in the second pit, you just throw this garbage and you cover it with the soil. Now leave it for a month. After a month, when you will dig the first pit, that is which contains the waste of this dustbin one, okay, what you will find that they are completely rotten. Okay, they are completely rotten and they have formed a black looking substance that resembles the soil. So this means that all this waste material present in the garbage, they have been decomposed by the microorganisms present in the soil. Microorganisms, it includes bacteria, fungi, etc. Okay, so they are what? They are biodegradable. Whereas, if you open the cover of the second pit, what you will find which contains a broken plastic toy, synthetic cloth, broken glass, aluminium foil. They does not rot at all. It remains as such. Okay. So, this means that the waste material present in this garbage have not been decomposed by the microorganism present in the soil. So, they are non-biodegradable. Okay. Now, in some cities and towns, the municipality, you will find that they provide a separate dustbin for collecting the two types of garbage. Okay, now these dustbins are of different color. One is the green and another one is the blue. At your school also you will find that you are having two dustbin. One is a green and another one is a brown. Okay, now the green dustbin, always remember, the green dustbin is for collecting the kitchen waste and other plant and animal waste. That is all kind of biodegradable waste. Okay, and blue dustbin is for collecting the waste materials such as plastic, glass objects and metal articles which can be recycled and used again. Okay, so that's all for today. In our next class we will be discussing about the disposal of garbage. So thank you everyone.